mind is away. I drift into space, don't know where to go. Sometimes I think I'm okay.
Hello my beautiful people, welcome back to another vlog. Today we're doing a little week in my life. I'm currently getting ready to head out for dinner at the Four Seasons with Alan. We're going to try their new après-ski menu. So I'm very excited. It's like a winter snow inspired menu, which is perfect because it just started snowing outside. I don't know if you guys can see that because it's really faint snow, but it's currently snowing. So perfect for a little après-ski. I just have to finish up my makeup and then fix my hair, and then I'm heading out. Alright you guys, here's the final look. I just threw my hair up into a little baby bun because it's so short. There's not a lot of hair back there now. And then like freshened up my bangs. We are heading out. Let's go.
We've been up for way too long, but I don't wanna come down. Caught up in a long free fall, you got me off of the ground. Sway for a minute, the plane moves side to side. One way ticket, I want you in my life. Feel a mile high when you're on my side. High up in the sky, cruising through the night.
Yeah. And how do you...
Cruising through the night.
Happy Thursday you guys. My class today got canceled, so I'm heading out right now to study with Alan on campus. It's currently almost 2 o'clock, but we thought we'd go and spend a little bit of time working on campus. I have some midterms coming up next week, but also just because it's my last semester, I'm trying to be on campus and like utilize the spaces as much as possible, and I haven't studied yet on campus this semester, so we are going to go head out.
I ain't never been one to not follow the signs. You're looking like a one-way. Gotta make the right choice. Hope I make the right noise. Hoping that you like boys like me. I know you're feeling me from across the room. I got a feeling you could be my muse. I hear strange when I see you. You say green, but I see blue. Either way, your eyes the ones I'm looking to when I'm...
I just got home from my study date and I'm about to warm up dinner. I've been having these Factor meals recently. So this one is the mango salmon and they come like all ready made. All you have to do is warm them up. I have been doing it in the oven, but this has been really great for my meal prep just because I've been trying to really stay on top of tracking everything so that I can gain muscle more. But I'm going to warm this up and then set up dinner tonight. I also finally started watching Rings of Power. So before I do some more studying, I'm probably gonna watch maybe half an episode, maybe a full episode. We'll see how I'm feeling to take a bit of a study break while I eat dinner.
But I see blue. Either way, your eyes the ones I'm looking to when I'm hell first, falling from heaven, baby. Living on the prayer that you catch and save me. I was unaware of our elevation till I looked down. All the people feel smile high when you're on my side, high up in the sky, cruising through the night. Feel mile high, feel mile high.
Happy Friday, you guys, on this lovely winter morning. It is a beautiful winter day out. I hope you can hear me because there's lots of construction going on around here. But we are headed to go get a blowout this morning at Below Dry Lounge. I'm very excited. It's for tomorrow's event because I thought it'd be nice to, like, you know, freshen up my hair a little bit, look kind of cute. I'm sure there's gonna be photos going on all day. So that's where we're heading right now. And yet again, Vanessa is just rushing because she's always late, but we are headed.
Sometimes my mind is away. I drift into space, don't know where to go. Sometimes I think I'm okay, I'm feeling the same. My reasons are gone. Say my name, cause baby I'm falling. Yeah, I'm falling, falling. So won't you say my name, cause baby I'm falling. Yeah, I'm falling, falling for you.
All right, all done. We are currently protecting the hair with the hood as I walk back home because it's a little windy out. And I know that my curls are just gonna be straight blown away if I don't. But it looks so good. I'm so happy with how it turned out. My bangs are always finicky, but she did a really good job. All right, it is currently 5:30. I'm about to start making dinner because Alan's coming over for dinner. So I'm just gonna start like prepping some stuff so that by the time he gets here, it's like almost ready and we can just eat and chill for the evening. We do have to go take over my tote bags over to the space for tomorrow's event. But other than that, like, it's just a nice chill evening, a nice Friday night in, you know? My vibes always are just a chill Friday night in. Your girl does not like going out, especially in the winter. It's cold out, so that's what's up this evening. I'm gonna make a kale bowl for dinner, but I've had this like sprouted blends of quinoa and I haven't tried it before. So we're gonna try this out in the bowl tonight because it's got like some other spices and like lentils and stuff in it. So I thought it would be good for tonight's bowl and I'll let you know what I think. Good morning, you guys. It is the day of the Wellness Collective X Health Cafe event. I'm just about to start getting ready to head out because the event starts at 9 a.m. It's currently almost 8, but I just have to get dressed. I have to put on a little bit of makeup and then we are heading out. It should be an amazing day. I'm really excited for everything that we have going on because this is the first Health Cafe like full day event. I'm excited to take you guys along as well. It should be good. So let's go.
Why don't you just pick a side and tell me? Just let me know. You let me know. Please don't let this go. Sometimes my mind is away. I drift into space. Don't know where to go. Sometimes I think I'm okay. I'm feeling the same.
All right, we have salads coming in. Everything's almost all set up and ready to go. The 9 a.m. Pilates class just finished, so my panel is up first at 10:30 a.m. So we're waiting for just people to show up now, but the day is underway. Very excited. Keeping up that consistency or dedication. So I feel like when you're looking at consistency and dedication as a whole, you want to start with that and just be honest with yourself, be a little raw. You know, for me, I'm a big journal gal. Are you guys journal girls as well? I see lots of them. I love that. So like for me, if I'm finding it difficult doing something, honestly doing brain dumps, sitting down and like being real, being raw with myself and asking myself, okay, what is going on? Why am I struggling? I feel like that's a big first step for me. Nobody's 100% all the time. I think the big thing to remember too is that when you fall off your routine, to get back on. I think a lot of us too, when we start falling off routine, it's really easy to slip back into old patterns and old habits of like not doing that thing that you wanted to keep up with. So when you're starting to fall off, remember your
So one of the kind of say like New Year's resolution or whatever kind of thing. For me, it's like attending these events, either like workshops or
get your key, get out the door. Once you're there, then you basically mastered the hard part. You're there, all you have to do is work out. A lot of us too try to adopt so many different new things at the same time, especially New Year's. Everybody's got this long list of things they want to accomplish, things they want to change throughout the year. And so really starting small and making small changes over time, I feel like for me is my best way to stay consistent, because once you've mastered one habit, it gets so much easier to continue adding on. I always use the example of think about like when you first started making your bed. Does everyone make their bed first thing in the morning? Beautiful. I know most people that's like an ingrained habit, but you have to think when you were young you had to be taught how to do that every single day. And now you do it every single day because it's so ingrained in your brain that it would be weird not to do it every single day. So I kind of like to use that analogy of when you're first starting to form new habits and build up your consistency is just reminding yourself to do it every single day until it becomes like making your bed is just this ingrained habit that you do automatically, naturally, and it would be weird to not wake up and do it. So I like to talk about habits and like consistency like that too, and building a routine and think about like when you were a child, how you had to be taught something. So you're kind of having to reteach yourself these new things, and instead of having this like authority figure tell you to do it every single day, you have to be that for yourself. All right, we've moved the bio-raw salads over here and all of the like smoothies and snacks and stuff. My voice is like cutting out, but I finished my panel and my seminar. My voice is like a little bit gone now, but we have the meditation and breathwork class starting soon. And then after that, we have a sound bath, and then later I'm leading a HIIT. So it should be good. This is kind of what's going on right now.
Just take your time, there's no rush for me or you. We still pray to God when we don't know what to do.
Do you think of wellness? And like, what is your personal definition of wellness? And like, when you're
Alright, last class of the day. We have a few minutes and then I'm going to start doing my HIIT workout, and then we have Shania speaking tonight, and then everything is done. But it's been a pretty successful day, so pretty excited how everything went, and there was like a bunch of people this afternoon and it's all been so good.
I drift into space, don't know where to go. Sometimes I think I'm okay, I'm feeling the same. My reasons are gone.
That you drive, it's not the money in the bank, it's not the amount of friends that you have.